What's up, guys? Happy Monday. It is the start of the new week, and we are back. That's right. We are back to cover the spice that is happening right now on the Bitcoin chart. We had to go live a little bit early. We don't usually do that, so without further ado, smash the likes, subscribes, share it out, get hype, engage with the stream, chat, let me know you're here, say something, put something in the chat, vote in the poll, check out crownanalysis.com. But we're going to have to get into the spice. I planned on checking out some news. Really quick take. Looks like SVB was sold. That's right. The bank was sold, I think, last night. Now I'm drawing a blank here. Doesn't really matter. Bank was sold. Economic impacts, not huge. But we are seeing stocks rally. We are seeing the VIX decline and the dollar pull down with it. Really quick, this week, not a lot going on today as major events. Not a lot. Even tomorrow, not much going on. We have to get into Wednesday to get to home sales, crude oil inventories. And then we get GDP numbers at the end of the month. March wrapping up on Friday with quarter over quarter and initial jobless claims. Those are going to be some big numbers. Fed rate monitor tool. We're doing these fast so we can get to the spice. Not a lot of change. 0 BPS is predicted for May 3rd. Tune in for Chirpow. It's going to be a great time. All right, let's just keep going here. I want to take a quick peek at funding rates because in this very moment, as I'm about to show you, maybe I should pull up my chart or pull up the right screen. Funding rates. Bitcoin is currently going down in the morning. We do see funding rates relatively bullish or negative, but nothing is standing out here as really, really a strong signal. We're just seeing some mildly negative rates coming in predicted. Okay, whatever. Let's get into the charts. The reason you're all here. So we looked at this, I believe, in the last stream. This was my bearish take. We identified potentially a diamond pattern playing out. And in the inverse, I'll pull up the bullish take. On the inverse, we have a bullish microphone. Someone commented on one of the, I think recently actually, about how these are the patterns everyone's looking at. Well, I don't want to toot our own horn, but we did share these March 15th, 14th, live on BitBoy's channel in front of thousands of people. And as we typically see happen, the rest of the market catches up to this channel eventually. I'll have to agree, so we're going to have to maybe look for a new perspective here today, a new pattern, a new edge on the markets. And that's what we bring you here live virtually every day. That's why you tune in. Also, just, you know, number one sleeveless stream on the internet. Greatest crypto community on the planet, universe, etc. So I have good and bad news. Good news is the bullish pattern still in play. We haven't actually back tested. We haven't completed this 5 pullback to the trend line yet. So selling off today, not the end of the world. We did speculate, actually, I believe on Friday, we speculated on the week. And let's take a peek at it really quick. Market Cipher B. I got 2 of them. Double the fun. I guess we didn't get it. We were looking for the weekly to roll into positive money flow, and weirdly or counterintuitively, we were looking for a little bit of a sell-off on Bitcoin. Money flow is still in the red, VWAP pointing down, momentum still moving up, so we're actually not there yet. For a second, I thought that was price. Last week wrapped up basically where it started as a Dragonfly or Doji, whatever you want to call it. Not a great candle close. However, it's a little bit double-edged again. We don't like to see these moves up. Then a doji that typically does suggest reversal. However, what we can say, and I know a lot of bears have been looking at this, that actually makes me more bearish on it. They were looking for an open and closed weekly above 25.2, above the 200 weekly moving average, and that was cemented. That was, if I thought this chart had more, that was cemented on Sunday's close. We did get, despite kind of a lackluster price action week, we did get a close above the 200 weekly. It opened to close, done. The 200 now trending at about 25.5 and a half, and we're gonna have to keep zooming in here. So what isn't great? The diamond pattern on Friday we identified. Now this is just a speculation. I still don't think this is what's playing out, and I will show you why, or I'll go through my logic here in this live stream. If you guys keep smashing the likes and subscribes, we'll get all the goodies. So this actually played out really well. Let's take a peek. I do believe we were somewhere around here when we identified this. somewhere around here. And as the next few days went, no, I don't want to exit it. I want to play it. Where's my play button? Oh, there we go. It changed it up on TradingView. As it went, somehow this diamond was respected. That's honestly just coincidence. We were really just looking for higher lows and lower highs. Basically, price creating a pennant, volatility shrinking, highs coming down, lows coming up. And the reason we went live early today is we do seem to have broken out of this. Now, we're going to have to zoom in. We're going to have to take a closer look. As I said, this was really just placed as an idea. This line here was very much imagined, and just so happened that's what the market did. So we're going to have to see if this trend line is correct, if this diamond is really looking to resolve to the downside, etc. We also have some other spicy charts to look at, such as XRP. We'll take a look at bond yields, probably Dutch Bank DB, because we did some spicy TA on that on Friday as well. But let's get into the zoomed in. Let's get into the zoomed in on the day. Zooming in on the day, let's take a peek at all of our just kind of local areas. I want to say 26.6. That's close enough to a double bottom on the daily. High place for liquidity sitting at 26.6. On the day, we probably should actually mark both of these out. 26.9, 27.3. Basically, this is just where we saw candles trade below, intraday, settle up higher, and we've seen them reverse now 1, 2, maybe 3 times-ish. You can see today's candle now below March 22nd and 23rd's low. Is this the end of the world? Is the sky falling, Chicken Little? No, not really. I don't think so. Oh, I almost forgot. I don't want to forget. Shout out to our sponsors, Fair Desk and Market Cipher. We gave away $500 on the FOMC stream. The FOMC stream? No, on Friday from the FOMC stream. We are going to give away another 100 today based on comments from the previous stream. So you still have time. If you haven't commented your Fair Desk user ID in a comment on the previous stream, go ahead and do so. We're going to be choosing that winner right after we get through some of this TA. So cross your fingers. Shout out to Jack, JAK, for winning that 500 on the last stream. We'll do bigger giveaways, probably just depending on how the days go. So here's what I'm looking at on the day. 26,980 would be the next area below us. I think there's high liquidity here. However, if we make it into the zone, I have a feeling we come down and run stops below 26.6. To put that in perspective, still high above the 200 week. Really wouldn't hurt this chart. And in reality, if you think about a bull run, grabbing liquidity and moving up is pretty much what we have seen anyway. Zoomed out, same thing. We have a high, a higher high, then we fall down, break the lows, and move to the upside. And that could be repeating right here. And we're actually going to find this out together because I've not done TA yet. It is the morning. I'm not a morning person. I'm still waking up with you. Grab your brews and roll one up. Pass one over to me because I need it. On the day, money flow now trending down. This sucks. Last night it was looking really good. Momentum was looking to pinch. But the day, at least closing in 9 hours right here, not looking so hot and likely spelling continuation to the downside. Don't like seeing that. Where's our Ichis? Our Ichis, we opened the day above the TK. Now we are below. I would like to see, so let's set this as our target for today. I guess we'll actually put this up here. 27 or 28 is our new daily local resistance. And sitting just below that is our TK on the day at 27.8. That's really my target close for today. I'm going to put this on here. Daily each. D each. Deech. As they say in some countries. No one says that in any countries. The Kaijun all the way down. All the way down at 24.2. That is actually pretty gnarly down there. Close to the 0.5 retrace, but slightly above. We can also see that's likely an area of liquidity from our small pullback on the 15th. Down here just below 24K. Not a lot in between. Really. It's like if we make it, just looking at the daily here, if we make it below 26.9, we're almost certainly, and of course this is trading, guys. I do want to remind you, I am not always right. In fact, I'm wrong all the time. Trading is a game of probability. People can call it gambling, call it whatever they want, but please don't just blindly copy me. In fact, don't just listen to me. Follow many different sources, get all the different perspectives you can. They are valuable even if they're not correct. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in because the spice is coming. I can feel it in my bones. Feeling baboons. 4 hour looks like absolute garbage here. Momentum failing to move high. Momentum rolling over. 4 hours looking for more downside. Fortunately, the 2 hour looks really similar here. Momentum's in a little bit better condition, but money flow now hitting a lower low with a very deep VWAP move. The 2 hour not giving us a break from this red. Yuck. We have to go all the way down to the 1 to see a little bit of sunshine here. Definitely not the best. I don't like this zero line reversal. That's going to be a strong downward force on the market. We're likely going to see the hour money flow pull down, break it slow, and give us the rollover signal as well. That's not so good on the 1 hour, potentially coming up 2, 4, and the day. We're in bear territory for right now in the short term. Bearatory, as some might say. Again, no one says that. Do that to the 30. Thank goodness that 30-minute closed. We went live. We saved crypto, everyone. Smash the like buttons for that. Give yourselves a pat on the back. We saved crypto by going live. As you know, we've been doing this like 4 years, streaming live TA, day to day. Ooh. Ooh, did we disconnect? I don't know. Something weird happened. And every time we go live, pretty much the price freezes. So it looks like our going live has frozen price, and I single-handedly have saved crypto. Huzzah! That's total bullshit. 30-minute also rolling over here. Momentum's down. Money flow's not looking hot. I am not seeing anything good yet. The only semblance of good so far we have seen is literally that previous candle closed. We did see a wick under 27.3. It closed, moved back up. That's like the only good thing I see at the moment. So hopefully we keep finding some gems as we go in. 15-minute equally as ugly as its counterparts. It's going to be hard to find anything that's looking strong right now. Basically, well, partly because we went live a little bit early to catch this dump. And during the dumps, during the red candles, it's very difficult to find anything bullish until we see at least a little consolidation or a reversal response of buying. Doesn't really matter. 5-minute, kind of equally garbage here. No pullback yet on our money flow. VWAP is moving up, but nothing really great at the moment. What's really cool here, though, is even down to the 5-minute, we do see that same buying power coming in at 27.3, pushing price back up. If we go back out to the day, if you're just tuning in, that number 27.3, really easy, really simple TA here. Just looking at our local daily support, and like clockwork, we have a bounce. This does happen a lot, but with the bounce, we don't have anything that's really making this look too good yet. So I'm not trusting it. I'm not trusting it. If we do see a reversal today, I'm going to mark this here too. Likely some kind of resistance at 27.5. I know we have so many numbers on this chart, but that does tend to be what happens when we see price get mushed up like this. You get a bunch of levels to the downside or upside, and you tend to break them all at once. Down to the 5. So let's examine the diamond. Is the diamond real? Well, so far it does look like it's real. Let's, instead of actually trying to draw a diamond, which I think is really just for visual sake, let's just establish our trend lines, and that's going to be pretty easy to do. We'll take our swing lows, and we'll apply them here to our chart. Boom. Now let's take our swing highs. I guess we'll do it this way. Yep. I'm really glad I remembered to check after I started the stream. Really glad I remembered to check to see if I'd switch scenes, because I might be here 30 minutes in, still with that background and no chart up, and chat being like, "Tom, what are you doing? You're crazy." Oh well. How do we want to cut this is the question. Guess we could do it like that. Maybe even taking it from the high would be smarter. Just kind of ignoring a little bit of that wick. And unfortunately, this pattern does look pretty solid. Let's be real. This looks pretty diamondish. Does look pretty diamondish. We did move below our trend, our ascending trend here, and make this white. Let's keep it this way. I'm not really convinced that this is the line, but we'll hold it for here. We'll hold it here for now. There we go. So are we in a diamond? I would say it looks pretty diamondish, doesn't it? This really did paint well. I'm impressed with myself. what isn't the end of the world and what's looking pretty good is what you'll notice. This is Coinbase's chart. Oh, so is this. Okay. This is Coinbase's chart. And on our original diamond drawn here, we can even see this hourly wick slowly painting. I wonder if down on the 5 that looks different. It does look different. Down on the 5, it looks like we're coming back to test it. So right here, pretty critical level on a very low time frame. Moving back to this descending trend, getting rejected, breaking our low, and we're going to definitely be looking for those 26 numbers. Let's see what this looks like here, though. You're ready, baby. You are ready. Let's put it like that. The other one's so much nicer. TA that isn't real is so much nicer, isn't it? All right, so what I'm finding interesting here is it does look like our ascending trend line at the bottom of this diamond is overlapping pretty well with 27.5. I think that this, despite all of the indicators, despite all of the signs we saw on almost every time frame this morning, this is still probably what we're going to look to happen. The market, if you haven't noticed yet, if you're new, and by new I mean, I don't know, I haven't stared at these all day every day for years. The market does tend to punish late shorts and longs. Likely these wicks down here in the 5-minute late shorts moving back to 27.5. That's probably the move here to punish shorts. Now, if we reject from this resistance that we broke as support, if we reject here from that horizontal or the bottom of this trend line, likely looking for a move back down to 27.2. We'll have to do more TA to really take a peek at this. Breaking that low, I don't love what I see here. Our measured move to target on that extension sitting really close to 26.980, or we'll just call it 27. Right down there. That's looking pretty fancy. That's looking too good. I don't like that. How do you feel about that, chat? By the way, we do have a poll going. We got 367 votes on it. The prediction for the end of March, what do you guys think it's going to be? I'll share my thoughts with you once we have like maybe 500, 600, 700 votes. Nice. We have a solid viewership. 950 viewers, but only 185 likes, guys. We got to get those numbers up. We need more engagement. We got to show YouTube we're enjoying the stream, or YouTube isn't going to show this to any more people or new people. So let's actually do this quick. This quick. If you are in the chat today, let me know. Let me do some shout outs here really fast before I get more into the analysis. I see 5G, A Mishra Aesthetic, buy high, sell low every day, brother. It's always good to see you. Craig Bowen, my man. Good to see you as well. Crypto Craze, Dean Putin. Digital Asset, DGen, Crypto Craze, GT Nuts. Total Crypto, I like that. Jack and a Crack, our winner of the 500 giveaway. We'll be giving away 100 shortly. Inferus, Joe McGuire, John Tagita Jr., Jonah Plainclothes every day. I love seeing these names every day. I love it, man. Love it. Justin Eubanks, King Peasant, JR Thawny, KMFA, Creekong, Learning, Loading Name. No, I'm sorry. Loading Name was the winner of the 500. I don't know why I was saying congrats to Jack and a Crack. I'm confused. It's early. What's up, LT? Madcap Pat, my man. Mario Palavenso, Matt King, Matthew Barnes, as always. Mike Volmer with the wrench, NBF form here every day. Ninja Glock here every day. Oh my, oh no, Y2K. Peter Hubakozum, Raul San Miguel, Remington, Perot, River, Rolling 69ers, Rhonda Davidson, Salvadorize, Shringtech, Savada, Skip Factor, The Wounded Avatar, myself, Tom Crown, Toot Larry, Taylor Richmond, Urban KO, Vellies, F2160, Venom Hex, Vish Hearts, what's up, man? Watoshi, it's the evil brother of Satoshi. It's Waluigi to Luigi. Wick589, how you doing, bro? William Stone, Zahinte55, who did I miss? Did I miss you? If I missed you, know that I didn't mean to. I just went alphabetically, my friends. Let me see. Donato Cabrera, Dino Mike, the OG, man. How you doing? Derek Moore, Daddy Lion 77. I don't like saying that name. Crypto Poppy, equally don't like saying that name. Crypto Craze, Carl Nevitt, Chris Corey, C-Ron, Cat God, Carl Nevitt, Bradley Wenger, Bo Hunt, Big Red, Benjamin Smith, Armin Clark, Al Ghul. I think I got most of them. One Struggle Jam. Who did I miss? If you're out there and I missed you, Let me know. Let me know. We're not done. We're just getting started. And everybody's here, man. Sun's out, guns out. Let's go. Greetings. What's up, Van Hayes? Van D. Hayes. Cooden. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. GMs all around. What are you guys looking at today? You know, it looks like Bitcoin's following the TA perfectly. If you watched this part of the stream, which we just did, I will admit, as someone who follows charts and TA all the time, 24/7, 365, there are times where the charts just don't really, they always matter, but they just don't really matter. So as we went through these time frames, nothing looked good, right? Just not a single time frame looked bullish. I don't know if I gave it a bearish rating. I'll say 6.5 out of 9 bears. So why did I say it's going back up? Well, this is kind of beyond TA and goes into, maybe we'll just call it experience, observation, just putting time in the game. Why did I think it was going back up? Basically, we fell really quickly breaking what? The range for the last 2 days. We didn't quite break the 25th, but we went straight down. And when you move straight down, especially when people are already feeling bearish on sentiment, you typically look to punish late shorts, which doesn't mean you go back to the moon, but it means you usually pull back. And when you have a pattern that everyone's looking at, like potentially this diamond here, what was support once, twice, 3 times broken, usually you go back to test it as resistance before making a move lower. This is what I think that looks like right now. Admittedly, I haven't looked at too much of the charts. We've only gotten through a little bit. We've just started. We're just warming up. I don't even think anyone's subscribed yet. Never mind. My crypto journey became a bro. Hey, my crypto journey. I think I stumbled onto your stream the other night. Is that you? What's up, Zogas? Zogas subscribed. So we do have 1 subscriber. 1 new subscriber. We gotta get those numbers up. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet, join us. We are racing Bitcoin to 100K and we are winning, baby. We are winning. If Balajas has anything to say about it, though, we might lose by June 13th if Bitcoin goes to 1 million. We'll do an update on that. Where is Bitcoin on track for the 1,090-day mark? I don't think it's a mystery. Not on track. But hey, no one ever expected it to move linearly up and to the right. Me neither. Me neither. Love the streams, bro. Thank you, my friend. I missed you, Savada. No, I didn't. Greetings, Michael Doricott. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did we not get the full retracement, or are we just sticking around for a little bit? We'll see. We'll see. What's up, Solar Miner? Creek Gong. You love my pronunciation. Oh, dude, I pronounce everything the way I want. No F's given. I did it accidentally, and then I learned in hindsight that that's actually a really crafty social media trick to get people to correct you to get engagement. Huh. I don't know. People are distributing something? Again, weird emails. Shout you out, Thomas. I did. What's up, Patrick Simpson? Psychedelic astronaut. Let's go. Who's short right now? Who's short? Who's long? What's up, Judge Bibbles? Starts on Wednesday. What's Wednesday? Connor, XRP is up next on deck, my friend. What's up, Mountain Man? Just making sure I get to everybody, see who's here. Getting the engagement moving for the day. But we'll take a peek at XRP in like 2 seconds here, actually. So sit tight. Uno segundo. Close that. Move this. Well, let's share some trades. So I did a little FOMO market order long here. It's down 16% on 25x. It's only $100 of margin. So even if this liquidates, I lose $100. Not a big deal. 0.1 Bitcoin. So the size is about $2,500 with an average price 27.3. No. 27.5. I was going to say, no, 27.5. I was waiting for that. I can go through that reasoning in a little bit. But this long does not look so hot. Not looking so hot. But in typical Tom Crown fashion, you guys know that's not the only trade I have open. Of course, on Fair Desk, I have 2 shorts open, and you can see up here this limit at 28,390. I said this in the Discord. You really should be in the Discord if you're not. Not only do you get free BTC airdrops after every live, I also give some updates. I do say when I'm entering positions because, hey, guess what? Those entries aren't always when we're streaming. We only stream, I don't know, let's say 1 hour out of every 24 hours. That leaves 23 hours. At 24, typically the best trades aren't always when I'm live. So I did say that I was looking for 28.3 in the Discord, and it didn't come. It didn't come. You can see there's a much bigger order. I don't know how well you can see that, but much bigger order. Didn't get filled as a limit, but I did manage to sneak out 2 tiny shorts here. Those positions on 10x are relatively larger than the long. That's why I feel comfortable opening that long. This is 0.1617 BTC, so that's like maybe a $5,000 position versus like a $2,500 long. And those are sitting in some profits. Will I move the stops up? I probably should. Or down. I probably should. Let's see. We got 21% profit, 24% profit. Not a huge P&L. As I said, the big order didn't get filled. Let's go through the charts. Ooh. Ooh. That's not good. That's not good. Hold up. We'll look at XRP in a second. That's not good. How are you not going to make it back? I'm not sold. I think it's a lie. It's a lie. It's still going back. There we go. Just wait. Just wait. Let me set some alerts here. We do have some stuff to look at. So while Bitcoin is deciding when it wants to make this correct. Oh, man. I'm talking so much crap now. Now I'm definitely getting wrecked here. I got my alert set. So if it moves, we will know, and we'll go back to it quick. Let's look at XRP, because we got some flexing to do. Oh, crap. I keep forgetting. We are going to do the giveaway. We are going to do the giveaway here. Let me do XRP, and then we'll do giveaway. Giveaway $100. All you had to do, and there is still time, is to comment on the previous stream. It's a win-win. We get more engagement. You guys get free trading funds. It's a win-win. Let me pull this up. It's been highly successful, and we're going to keep doing it. Look at all these comments. Mind you, we almost never get comments on our lives, because why would you comment after the live? I don't know. Here's the reason. Look at all these comments. This isn't even the big one. Ooh, I missed one. There you go. Ooh, I missed 2. There's still time until I announce the winner. You still can put your Fair Desk user ID in there, and you can still win. So give it a minute. We'll give it a minute. Let me see. I want to show you guys this as well. So YouTube randomly will hold comments for review. I need to like remember to go through these before I give it out. Also, guys, do not comment on previous streams, only the most recent, or else it doesn't count. Sorry, but I'll give you guys a few extra minutes there. We will pull up the random comment picker and pick our winner. So XRP, we had this little slick trade here. In fact, this was more than a slick trade. We were streaming when XRP was rallying, and I cautioned, as I always caution, guys, always fight FOMO, always fight fear. If you're feeling FOMO or fear, and you're feeling pressure to take a trade, what do I always say, chat? I always say the same thing. I'm a broken record. Go for a run, go to the gym, go see a friend, go play video games, go play with your dog, do a puzzle. I don't know, do anything. Whatever it is you like to do, go do it. Get your mind off of the situation. Leave the FOMO fear mindset. All trades, and of course this is a generalization, but it might as well be true, and I think if you just say it's true and act as if it's true, you'll do better. All trades made on emotions are the wrong trade, period. On that day, XRP was rallying. We said, hey, it looks like 50 cents, 51 cents, likely the target. Didn't quite make it there. It went to 49.27, so we're off by a fraction of a cent. But said, FOMOing in now on this big green candle is not likely a good idea. I don't give financial advice, but this is emotional control, self-discipline advice. What we said, we have a strong support down here, 41.7, 42 cents. If you're feeling the FOMO, who remembers this? Was anyone here during the stream remember me saying this? Put it in the chat, let me know. I need some social validation. I said, if you're patient and calm and fight FOMO, there's likely going to be an entry at 42 cents. Look at what happened. Since that, we literally placed this long order. It tickled it on 3-4 hour candles, and now it's back to the price that you probably would have FOMO'd into. I will say this, it has not touched 50 cents yet. That's not great. That's not a great sign. But, man, look at these longs. I need to trade XRP more. We got wrecked on this one, but this one hit. This one looks like it's going to hit. XRP is such a weird chart, dude. Such a weird chart. Like, what is this? Once XRP is above like 55 cents, things are going to look really, really good for it. While it's below, it's just ranging, unfortunately. But we are coming off a higher low here. I'll say this is a double top. Like, this is a double hit to resistance. Remember, I don't view double tops or double bottoms as bullish and bearish, kind of the way other people do. Usually they get hit again. I don't really think they're reversals in crypto, because you're weakening that resistance. So until you break your low, I won't get too far into it, but if we call this a double top, that's okay. Unless you break your low, then it's no bueno. But as long as it's up here, you can paint something like this, multiple retests of resistance, and keep moving. It's got an alert. Bitcoin, let's go back. That short, no. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying no, because I'm net short. But no! We didn't get the full retracement. I was wrong. See? I said at the beginning of the stream, guys. I'm not right all the time. Please don't blindly copy my trades. You will lose money. So because we didn't make it all the way back to 27.49, I had to adjust our fib tool here. You saw me scoot that down because now we have a swing low, a swing high. That low was broken, so where do we look? We look to the 618. We look to the measured move. The measured move now, it moved up like $10. 27K on the books. It looks like we're dumping. We're dumping. I kind of want to just sit and watch the dump. Smash the likes for the dump. You gotta dump to pump. You gotta dump to pump. Remember that. We've hit the 2 measured move. All right. Let's reassess. We were at, what did I say, 6.5 or 7.5 bears out of 9. We were pretty heavily bearish. We were looking for the late short punishment. We did get it, but it wasn't much, not even 1%. That is weird to me. So without even a 1% move to the upside, what does this mean? This means someone could have opened short at the bottom of this wick on 100x and stayed open. That's highly unusual. Highly unusual. When you see something like this happen, and pay attention to the late position punishment. Pay attention. Under 1% means 100x could stay open. When you get that, you typically see ripper moves. But those ripper moves usually move back up and fill that inefficiency. So now we've painted inefficiency here in our chart. And now we're looking to paint more efficiency. What do we think down here? 26.9, so 26.6. This is looking like our target now. Said that earlier. If the day trades below 26.980, 26.6 is very, very likely. Watch it just prove me wrong here again. 5 minute looks worse than when we started. 1 minute actually looks better probably than when we started. Doesn't look good, but better than when we started. Loading. 15 minute continues to look like shit. Oh my god, look at that momentum. Look at that momentum all the way down in the money flow bands. Ugh. 30 minute, really garbage. Downtrending. 45 minute downtrending. Hourly, okay, we speculated about this just a little bit ago. It happened. So with all this negative, all this bearishness we see on the time frames, the hourly hadn't quite done it yet, but we said we're probably going to look to see this low broken and for the hourly rollover signal, and we got it. We got it. That did not take long. Crap. Well, we were very zoomed in, so let's look at our bigger measured moves here. I was really hoping we would see this wick back into this diamond. It can still happen by the end of the day, but this is not a good look. Not a good look. Really quick, actually, let me look at these shorts. Okay, not so special. These are really tiny. We were up 20%, now up 36, 37, and 40. Not bad. The long, minus 60%. It's making its way on down to liquidation territory. I'm okay with that. Zoom back out to the day here. All right. We have broken yesterday's open. We have broken 27.3. We have broken 27K. What's left? 26.6. We have what I call the double bottom, I'll say here on these daily wicks. This is where the liquidity is resting. And honestly, it would be very weird not to see that hit today. I think it'd be very weird. But where might it be? 26.3. I think 26.3 would run the stops pretty well. 25.7 to the 618. Let's place this here for now, guys. I know I said I would do the giveaway after that, but I got alerts. And you guys know when I get alerts, I can't do anything else. I got to focus. It's still dumping. I should change the title to Major Dump. Let's just say dump. Let's change the title. It's so sneaky. I love doing it. All right, so this is kind of a good perspective here as we continue to dump. As the dumpy dumpersons dump. As the Bears win, right? The Bears won. Someone's ready. What's up, Bajarki? He's back. Bajarki's back. I almost forgot about the dumping. The legendary Bajarki is back. My friend, we have missed you. Everybody give a shout out, give a warm welcome to Bajarki, our man. He's back, baby. All right, I gotta get back to the chart. So, the Bears claiming victory here with a minus 4% candle after hitting 29K roughly. No, I'm being sarcastic. Oh, with the memberships, Jarky, my man. Gifting them out, guys. If you want a membership, make sure you have opted into them. It should ask you. It should be a little toggle thing when you join if you're not opted in. YouTube says it gives them out randomly. It favors people who engage with the stream. So chat, subscribe, like, vote in the poll, share, etc. And you might be the winner. Man, we got a lot of winners. Bajarki gifted 20 winners. I'm going to be gifting a $100 winner here in a minute. Zooming out perspective. This is what's going on today. If you're feeling some emotions, know that this is your emotion right here. Check yourself. What works out actually pretty well, and I don't hate this. Oh, you're ready. We can't let it play 20 times, my friend. We can't. I want to, but we can't. The laws don't allow it. So what I don't hate here, and we'll see as this comes, if we look at the move down to the 200 daily at 19.5 up to 28, 29, we'll call it. We actually haven't even begun retracing yet, which sounds crazy. I'm getting more alerts. Bitcoin's still dumping. Bitcoin's still dumping alert. Still dumping alert. All right. Here we go. Looks like we've touched 26.6. As I was saying, we haven't even actually technically begun retracing yet. Because if we look at our swing high and swing low, our 236, where we actually say something is retracing once it's hit that level, is down at 26.2. So while we're above 26.2, at least in my take here, none of this this is not relevant. None of that's relevant. You're all just chilling up here between the 0 and the 236. Bajarki, my man, gifting 10 more memberships, 50 more memberships. I had the holy shit. That's a total of 80 memberships by Bajarki. Holy moly, my friend. Let me pull up the chat. Where's my dude? We all love you, Bajarki. Bajarki has been, we've nicknamed him Crypto Claus because he brings the presents. He brings the gift presents. Love it, man. Love it. For some reason, my chat's not working. It never works. What am I talking about? Trying to, like, search to see if you said anything. Of course, when I search, it's just going to keep going back to the gifting. Crap. I'm going to try to keep my eye on the chart. So, we're just chilling here. We are very close. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. We're very close. Oh, you're ready. I got to turn it off. 10 more memberships. My dude. I appreciate you so much. The community appreciates you. Just as a real quick take, though, 0 to 236, we aren't retracing. Under 236, once we get into here, we are retracing. Once we get down into this area, we are in the 0.5 to 618, right around the golden pocket. So, perspective, very important today. Very important. This sell-off, not so hot, doesn't feel good. But, something tells me. Interesting. We have not broken 26.6. I mean, I'd love to be wrong. I'd love for this not to happen. But I don't see why we wouldn't break 26.6. This is where all the long stops are. This is where all the short market orders are. Why would we not go there? Oh, you're ready, baby. You're ready. You're ready. We got a little skunked on that late short punishment, and honestly, that's probably what we're seeing again here. Like I said, I just can't imagine it doesn't dip at least. Like, even if it's just like a wick and up. Or if it's lower. How could it not hit that? Let's check out our volume here, see if we can get some clues. Oh, you're ready. I gotta silence it. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I want the hype, but I can't have SpongeBob in my ear all day while hey, I'm not saying don't gift. Please, everyone loves it. It's great. It's much appreciated. We appreciate you. I just can't have SpongeBob yelling he's ready over and over and over again. So I'm just gonna mute him. Patrick Simpson. That dude's pretty cool. Oh, Crypto Claus, man. He's very cool. Very cool. It's good to see you, man. Like 2 or 3 streams ago, I was like, has anyone seen Bajarki? Is he okay? I don't know if you ever got back to me in the email. No rush. No rush. So we could see that. I don't know how I feel about it. We could even see like this, but honestly, I would prefer to hit 26.6 first. I'd like to see this, maybe even a little lower. But let's keep our targets. Let's keep them close for now. For the 1 minute, we do have the first sign of rolling over here with, we did have a higher high, but is a lower high in the structure. Man, this is a hard day to TA. The pressure to the downside is spicy, man. Spice levels are up. This is not a drill. Spice levels are up. Shot past 26.9. I think we go lower, man. Let's see. We're going to have to do some bigger retracements. We were very, very zoomed in for that. Let's take the most recent swing low to swing high before this while we were still in the potential diamond. Though at the moment, potential diamond looking pretty good. Looking like it's playing out. Not bad. Our 2 measured move for this move here. 26.2. Getting called from my doctor for some reason. Don't know why. I like it. Measured move just below the 236, just at that retracement level. Right at where I'm saying liquidity will be grabbed. All right, good. There we go. Go back down. Don't be a punk. Don't be a punk. Grab the liquidity. Grab it. You've broken this low. Now you just got to break this low. 26.6. I have way too many alerts for Bitcoin. Look at them. Now you can't see it. Just like Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. I probably should have them farther apart, eh? All right. Smash the likes for the spiciness. Smash the likes for Mr. Bajarki, our champion. Of the gifted subs. Huh. Well, so far this diamond. The diamond's playing, man. I don't know. I didn't think that we were going to see this play out. It's still, I will say, it's still may not. I know that sounds crazy. It all comes down to where the day closes. It looks like 27.4 and above. Things won't be looking too bad. But for the moment, yes, there it is. I was gonna be really trolled, guys, if it didn't keep going. I was gonna be so trolled if it didn't hit this. Like, come on. Come on now. You can't be sweeping liquidity and then not actually sweeping market. That's silly. You will not stop. Only 100 gifts. You did not get back to me because of... No worries, brother. No, dude. You have no obligation to get back to me. I just wanted to... Honestly, I just want to make sure you're all right. You guys might think I'm full of it when I say this, but I weirdly do care about every single one of you personally, even if it doesn't always seem like it. There we go. We swept the liquidity, finally. Did I get liquidated? I haven't quite got liquidated yet. I haven't quite gotten liquidated. Should we get dangerous? He's a psychopath. Yo. Alright, I'm moving my liquidation down a little bit. Is it gonna save me? Probably not, guys. Don't do this at home. That's effed. That's effed. But I did move my lick down just a wee, thankfully. Okay, good. So we did sweep the liquidity. Now we can go back up. Actually, not even... No, I'm not making that call yet. But now that we've hit that, I feel much more comfortable. I was saying that when we got really close. I really didn't want to see this. I want to see it resolve quickly. We got the really, really muted late short punishment up here. And I was saying, when you see that, you usually see quick whips down, because essentially, if you allowed, let's go back to that. That was a cool thing. The market right here, if you had shorted the very bottom on 100x, it only moved back up 0.77%. That means in a 100x position, could have stayed open, didn't get liquidated through that. So what you usually see once you break your low is a very quick, strong move of continuation that reverses. Why does it reverse? Use your logic, use your brain here. If you had a 100x short open and you didn't get liquidated and now you're all the way down here, what are you going to do? You're likely going to take profit. Let's see what that looks like. If you were a master and you hit the bottom of this wick, which is impossible basically, so we really won't use this, but 2.57%. Let's use it more like, we'll say right here, 26652. That was the low. So say you stopped or you took profit there, 2.1% on 100x, you'd be up 211%. So the reason you typically see a strong reversal in this scenario is when you allow those high leverage positions to stay open, they take profit. And when you close a short, what happens? You create a market buy. So let's cross our fingers and hope this is enough. We do see volume kicked up here. That's a good sign. That's what we were looking for. We wanted to see the liquidity hit. We wanted to see the long stops run. And that is what happened. We did get it. And we don't have any kind of confirmation of a reversal yet. Only, I don't know, like that game theory-ish of if you had 100x open, you might close it, and that might create some buying pressure, right? Yeah, that's about it. Let me see if the 1 minute's doing anything. Ooh, no, it's actually getting uglier. It is hit a higher low and a lower high and a higher low since I said it was looking a little better. Not really looking a little better. Let's go to the 5. Please flatten out here, 5. Please. VWAP's up, but like flatten out for a freaking minute. Yeah, you know what? My neck hurts. I'll take it. I'll take it, because I forgot I did get one alert that was meaningful. A lot of unmeaningful alerts. We did get one alert that's meaningful, and that alert is we have actually finally hit the top of this potential megaphone. The timing, the price, actually pretty perfect. I don't want to see it go much lower. I think intraday, I'm not calling for this today, but I'm saying intraday 25.3, but we probably should move that up to keep it up with the 200 weekly. So it's like 25.5. Intraday, we can hit 25.5 and still be in this pattern. However, if we close it daily down lower than basically where we are right here, I think we're back into that broadening pattern. And that's not a good look. That's pretty bearish. That would take this pattern off the table. But I do want to reiterate here, not broken. Pattern is not broken. Isn't this spicy? This bullish megaphone and this bearish diamond simultaneously are in play right now. But only at this price point. Only at this price point. That's pretty cool. That's pretty damn cool. I'm a short. 43%, nothing special. So, looking at Fair Desk right here. Oh wait, no. So let's do the giveaway before I forget. Before there's more spice. Let's do the giveaway. Right? Good idea. Let me pull up the random comment picker. So to win, we're about to give away $100. To win, no purchase necessary. All you have to do, comment your user ID on the previous stream from Fair Desk. You had to sign up using my link. You're not eligible. You also cannot sign up multiple times and comment multiple link UIs. Fair Desk will tell me that when I give them the UID. They'll be like, hey, that guy is cheating. Also, you have to be subscribed and like the stream. So let's go. Is this a random comment? Yes. Let's fetch. Anything goes, include replies. No. Who's ready? Get hype, smash a like. So much work. So I have to comment at 6 numbers. What's up, Hexflex? Ready, set, who wins? I hate that. I wish I would just pick it when I hit it. Boom. TJ. Wait, you're my hero. I'm sorry, TJ. You were almost the winner. TJ, you were almost the winner. But you didn't come in user ID, so you can't win. I have to pick a different winner. Did I pick the wrong URL? Or is loading name, are you cheating somehow? Are you cheating? I mean, that doesn't have a user ID either. What in the hell? What? Did I use the wrong... 1 second, guys. Am I using, like, the wrong URL here? Go to the last stream. I'm going to copy, paste it again. Comment picker. That was the hardest. You're right. Hexflex was correct. He was correct. That's a lot of work. That was a lot of work. Vidic. Vidic is today's winner. User ID 340270. By the way, that's not like private info. Your user ID, it doesn't. Nobody can do anything with it. Congrats, my friend. You are the winner. Let me send it off to the Fair Desk peeps. And they will confirm. You are the winner. If you didn't win today or yesterday, don't worry. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. There will be more. More giveaways. In fact, we have 1,100 viewers, 469 likes. What a beautiful, beautiful number. If we can get 500 likes, that's only 31. And in fact, we should say 1,000 because we got over 1,000 watching. But we'll say 500. If we get 500 before 11:30 a.m., it's currently 11:19. We'll give away another 100 on the next stream. Same rules, same deal. Comment your user ID. That's it. Congrats, my friend. Round of applause. Also, congrats to everyone who was gifted memberships by Bajarki. Let me shout them out. I see Thomas Bowen subscribed and Draco. Welcome, fam. Ooh, Alex Koo gifted some memberships as well. Shout out to Alex Koo. Jiffy. Kush. We have a lot of winners today, guys. Apparently, we might be done with TA and trading. We're just going to be a giveaway channel. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, that would be pretty easy. Store that one up in the old noggin. The old bank. The winners so far, people who have been gifted memberships. We see Jiffy, Kush is my cologne, Flip a Frank, Solar Miner. Thank you, Alex Q. I didn't see that. I appreciate you. Just Fa Stow Relaxing Music subscribed. What up? So Bajarki, this is going to be a long list, man. Bajarki gifted out a ton of memberships, guys. Make sure you have them enabled. Make sure you've engaged with the live stream to up the chances of you winning. We have Jay-Z, Tyler M, Rockstar, Mike, Rocky, Jack and a Crack, Kip, Peter Provost, Robbie One Kenobi, Big Red, Oh My, 420, Bud Monster, Orange Sound, Psychedelic Astronaut, Josh Sanders, By Gear, GT Nuts, Grav Rana, Arlindo, Marku, Alex Wells, Alex S. What's up, my brother? Good to see you winning. B, Robert Nitz, Aaron King, Bry Guy EE, Peter L. Patron, Crypto Mystic, Batter Al Batter, Crowntown, nice name, Mendoza, Sai, John Dinoff, Hucka Harvin, Alex New, Code 203, ZB1224, Mike Volmer, Wrenches for Memberships, Justin Todd, Cervantes, Austin B, Kurt Carey, Travis Harris, Sergio, my man, I'm Buzzard. A lot of good names. Nas, Cat's Eye, Brent, TDRD, Farmer, Duggett, Rutted Coffee, Matt Forge, Robert, Seldar, Garbin, Koopmans, Alchemist. Nice, Alchemist. Rasmus. This is a long list, guys. We'll get... Luckily, Bitcoin's chilling for us. We're right on our trend line. That's good. Donato Cabrera, Jonathan Schaefer, Vanaraka, Orange Glad, Tent Brolette, Bravo, T-Bone, Alexi Cruz, Pow, 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 Benjamin Smith, Sana Silvio, and Gasper. My man, Gasper. Thank you again, Bajarki. You are amazing, dude. I'm glad to see you're back. Glad to see everything's going well for you. Gamerzone also subscribed. Gustavo Tavora subscribing as well. $5 super chat from Patrick Simpson. Sorry, I had him disabled because there's too many alerts. I'll re-enable them. We need that 200 retest. It is possible. It is possible. It may even be in the cards. May even be in the cards. Wow, what a day. What a freaking day. Thanos subscribed. I mean, like, who? I mean, I have, like, I don't know, 100,000 subscribers on TikTok, like 80,000 here. But out of all of them, like, what other creators have Thanos as a follower? Few. Right on. Keep subscribing, guys. Keep smashing the likes. We got to 521 likes. Only took 2 minutes. I gave you 12. So we'll be giving away another 100. All you have to do, sign up for Fair Desk using my link. There's big old rewards, etc. $35,000 deposit bonus. You got to deposit, I don't know, a whole bank's worth of money. But hey, you get something, and you're eligible to win the next giveaway. Hell yeah. All you have to do is sign up with my link, comment after this live stream. Not while it's live, after it's live. Your user ID, and you'll be eligible to win. So let's get back into the corn here. Get back into the corn. Oh, we hit our lows. Stopped longs, swept liquidity. We haven't actually reached down to that 236 yet. That could be a good thing, potentially. Volume is up. I don't know. Do you guys trust this? I don't necessarily trust this. We have broken 26 or 27. We broke at 27. So that support now potentially going to act as resistance if we move back up. Let's get rid of a lot of this. Something I do like about this hourly is the nice bottom wick on it. Volume came up a little bit, not a really mind-blowing amount of volume, but this bottom wick is solid. We are not even halfway through it. 10 more memberships. 10 more memberships from Bajarki, my man. Hype. Chat, hype it up. Hype it up for Bajarki. Hype it up. Our man with the plan. Shout out to Roy, Cryptopreneur John, Mr. Hart Teaches, Jordan James, the JD Club, Cherry City, Bullies, Sam Galley, Kumi Nugent, Typhoon Akanaic, and Crypto Crab Man. Oh, did he do 20 more? And he did 20 more. And he did 20 more. I can't say all these names at this point. Holy shit. Guys, it is an extravaganza of giveaways today. If you want a free membership, you might just get one if you're subscribed, if you like the stream, if you're engaging in the live chat, voting in the poll. YouTube may favor you. And at this point, with over, I don't even know how many, Bajarki, how many you got there? A lot. A lot. The odds are in your favor if you're here. Even if you're not here, you might get one. That's how many are getting out. My dude, thank you. My dude, appreciate you so much. All right, re-enabled the alert box. I just can't have it reading 50 names. Whew. Tom's the man. Got a life's the man. I'm just a guy with sunglasses. The hourly still looks like shit. 5 minute is like, it's still garbage, but maybe in like a candle or two, we'll get some kind of sign here. Maybe. We're still at 6.5, 7.5 bears out of 9. Luckily, no one has fed them cocaine, so they're not on a rampage. There we go, the hour. Our 30 minute has rolled over here into red money flow. The VWAP is coming up, but this trend is nasty, man. That's a bearish 30 minute. Bearish. You know what I'm not bearish on, though? You guys. This chat. This fam. Impossible. I'm bullish as hell on you guys. Ooh. You know what's interesting? I wonder if anyone caught this. I almost always look at the 12 hour. I did not look at the 12 hour today. The one time. Ever, maybe. I didn't look at the 12 hour. This is the only not super shitty time frame. Now, this sucks. 12 hour was about to roll over until this dump, basically. This probably was green even at the start of the stream. I don't know. Probably. But what this does say is if the market can settle up higher in 12 hours, if we do see this wick continue to push price up, potentially back into that diamond, or if the back test of the high trend is in on our megaphone, that 12 hour might look to roll back over. And wow, this is actually setting up really spicy. This is really spicy, actually. The spice levels today with Bajarki here, giving away the memberships. This is hella spicy, man. All right, let's take a peek. What I like, though, about this sell-off is the inefficiency that's being left behind. We talked about this a little earlier. Basically, we're seeing inefficiency up here as the market's only moving down, not moving back up. Little bit of efficiency here until it broke its low. Inefficiency filled some of it, so we still have between, it looks like 27.2 to 26.980 of inefficiency. We have another little gap up there. Really want to see this. I want to see the 5 minute pull up here. I want to see it break this low, and I want to see it roll over, and then we can start looking at longer time frames to look good, but not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Someone keeps dumping when Saylor announces Bitcoin. Little ramble, little rant here for you. People love narratives. They love narratives, right? Like everybody, AI narrative, proof of stake narrative, DeFi narrative, gaming narrative, music narrative, NFT narrative, whatever. Guys, narratives, I hate to say it, but they're all just bullshit. It's all just liquidity. It's just like news. It's like FUD and FOMO. It's all just liquidity. Like, it's just used against you. So even Saylor buying Bitcoin, to then see a sell-off is like, I mean, I bet if you go back and look every time he's announced Bitcoin, I bet it's like sold off that day. Somewhat. Because people get excited. Ooh, Saylor bought. Maybe not you and me. But there are people out there. Maybe people who have never bought Bitcoin before. Ooh, this guy's bought 150 million worth of Bitcoin. Maybe I should buy it. And their liquidity. Then they sell. It goes down. They sell for loss. It was really interesting, though. People talk about that Balaji, the $2 million Bitcoin bet. The $1 million Bitcoin bet. But what's funny is Saylor makes $100 million Bitcoin bets all the time when he buys Bitcoin. And no one really cares. Weird fact. Weird thought. Weird thought. Let's take a peek here at the top. Cryptocurrencies by market cap. Market cap is down about 40 billion versus yesterday. Not really even that big of a hit. 3%. Ooh, Bitcoin's wicking. We might see it move back up in the stream. Spicy stream. 562 likes. Let's get that to 1,000, guys. I believe in you. You can do it. Honestly, it looks like the whole market pretty much down 3% over the last 24 hours, except for XRP. XRP up 3%. Let's see. And 20% on the 7-day. That's interesting. That's interesting. We might have to go back to it. We already looked at XRP briefly. We're going to look at it again, though. Yeah, everything else. Let's actually organize it by 24-hour gain. Literally. In the top, 300, I believe. Top 300 or top 100, I forget. Only XRP is green. I'm going to dismiss Toncoin with 0.2%. Doesn't really count. And whatever the hell Edgecoin is with 0.1. Only coin. Wow. If we go down into the entire space, yes, we'll have other movers. But not significant market caps or volumes. I know what Komodo is. KMD. XEN, is that? No, I'm thinking Zem. I don't recognize any of those, except for Komodo. I don't recognize any of those either. Alright, whatever. Cool. Alright, nice. So we finally moved back a little bit. Time to get our fib tool back out. Please don't skunk us this time. Right at the 0.5 retrace, right at that previous support that did not hold at all. It would be good to get back above it. Would be good. Can we see this? You guys saw me earlier. I wanted to draw this before, and I was like, nah, I need to see 26.6 break, and it did. This would be great. This would be more likely. Rejecting right here would suck. I was just looking at the 5 minutes saying, man, we really want to see that go lower. We really want to see it roll over. We're right here at the 0.5, which is right at previous support, now resistance. This is clutch. This is like a clutch moment, actually. Clutcher than most. Ooh, that's a hard one. Abhinav. 1102 subscribe. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Holy crap. My whole feed is just gifted. Thought you were gone, brother. I'm glad you're back. I'm just glad you're here. You don't even need the gifts. 2 hour momentum, money flow going down. Yep, Curtis Knit. We looked at the 2 hour. We looked at, honestly, every time frame before this really started dumping. When we started the stream, I want to say, we're around here. Go back to the beginning of the stream. You'll see me go through the time frames and say, wow, none of this looks bullish. I can't remember the rating. Did I give it a 6 out of 5 or 7 out of 5 bears? I don't remember. What's up, John Arlo? How you doing, man? Watoshi scam. Scamming. Here's what I like and I don't like. We got 27 minutes. Actually, that's a good amount of time. That's a good amount of time. 27 minutes, and look at this hourly. The previous hour, actually, this is a really... the more I look at this, the more crazy this actually is. Get rid of that. The more I look at this, the crazier it is. Not only are we right at that 1618, not only did we sweep liquidity at our lows, like we talked about as soon as this broke, but look at the hour. Look at this bottom wick, and now with 26 minutes, this might turn green. There's definitely going to be resistance at 26,980. What should I do with my short? Oh, remember that long that almost liquidated? That I degen added to? Now only down 14%. Woohoo. But I did save it from liquidating. It actually would have liquidated. The lick was 26.5. I don't know if that was a good move, though. I don't know if that was a good move. But this hourly is creeping back up and now back down. Come on. Come on, 5 minute. Give us a signal, baby. Give us a signal. So close. So close. That's brutal. Rate of resistance right at the 0.5. This is... I think that this short position gets stopped out. He comes right to that 618 and stops it out. So let's do it this way. This is what I'm hoping. This is what I'm hoping for. How's that look? I don't really like the way this 1 minute's moving up. Okay, cool. It is holding on to the money flow, though. Earlier in this minute, it was red, and that would have been very bearish. But it looks like it's kind of battling it out for the close there. 5 minutes still not giving it to me. What's remarkable and awesome about this is the low time frame stuff's all right, but the hourly close right on 26,980 with that huge bottom wick on this hourly. If it moves up above 26,980, all of a sudden you have a close and open on support. Intra-candle you fell below, but close and open on support. That would be very good. In fact, a close and open on support right there. I mean, your fibs don't really line up, which is unfortunate. Fibs are just not feeling it. But a close and open support on the hour, man, I think you would look back to fill in this efficiency, which is like what? This? That? Got 23 minutes. All we have to do is move up like 0.25%. Quarter of a percent. No, 5 minute when we needed you most, you did not show up, man. Well, I wonder if the votes changed. We got 1,100 votes. It looks like we're about the same. It's about the same as when we started. 29 to 25K at 35%. Told you guys I would tell you what I think. That's what I think. 29.25. Really easy answer. Let's close that poll up. Make sure you guys haven't forgotten to smash those likes and subscribes. Keep the hype going. Let me put a new poll up. There we go. Has this move changed your perspective for March's close? That I'm curious. That I'm curious about. Why did it dump, Edward? It dumped. Well, you know what? Let's say this. As long as it holds this low today, which is a big if. That's a big if. As long as it holds this low, then it dumped to complete this pattern. There you go. If it breaks that low, things are pretty shitty. I don't know if I like the yellow arrows there. I'll get rid of them. But we've now officially touched it. We didn't touch it before. Now we've touched it. At the same time, we broke our lows from our range. I mean, this is it. Like, this is the spiciest of spicy. Even though price isn't really moving anywhere, it's so spicy. Because you did like 3 different things at the same time. You swept your ranges low, meaning pretty much every long taken from the 17th to today, the 27th, likely got stopped out here. You swept liquidity low. That is like a prerequisite for moving up. In addition, you finally back tested our ascending trend line in our wedge. And it's all at the same price. It's all at the same price. Now we really just need a strong daily close or some kind of retracement to the upside. I'm hoping we get that in this hour. We have 20 minutes. I'd love to see it close above 27. I'm just not seeing anything good on the charts, though. That's the problem. Like, every time frame we look at looks pretty equally crap. There's, like, no reprieve from it. We've been waiting for, like, half an hour for this 5-minute to do something, and it's not doing it. No. It's not doing it. It didn't break the low. No. Now it's going back down. Now VWAP's coming over. Dump might not be over. Which would suck. It would suck if we go lower. And you could probably wiggle out a little bit lower. But you really don't want to be closing that day below like 26.666. Ha, 666. 26.660. Which is right there. Right there. Right below March 18th swing low. I'm going to mess with... Sucks when you have an underwater position. It's like, what am I going to do with this? What's the lick price? 26 flat. I think I want out of this. I think I want out of this below like 20.66. Ooh, that doesn't look right. Still doesn't look right. Sorry. Should just look at the bar value. Okay, swear to God, last time. My OCD is driving me a little up the wall this morning. There we go. All right, I'll take it. I'm going to get hunted there, but I'll take it. I'll take it. At least our shorts are still blossoming. That wick on the hourly still looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. On my shorts, I think 27.5. Yeah. Let's take 27.5. 27.501. Ooh, no, I don't like that. This is rough because the whole drop is one move. And basically, my shorts are right at where the drop was. So my break even is roughly where the fair value gap is. And if the long closes, then I want to keep the shorts open. I don't know if the long will close. I should have not put the stop. Huh? I'm just talking to myself out loud, really. Okay, that's the bigger one. Which one has the worst entry? But that one has a better entry. Maybe this one should be 27. 569, nice. are. These aren't alerts. What are these? By the way, guys, I'm going to Bitcoin 2023 in Miami. I hope a lot of you guys go. I hope you all go. There's a link in the video description below for discount on tickets. I'm going to be a bitch for this one, actually. I want to keep one of these open. I just don't like the stop on it. There's nowhere to do it. There's just nowhere to put the stop. It's not good. Bitcoin does seem to have chilled out a little bit, and that's a good thing, I suppose. We had a lot of action really quickly. A lot of spice. What's up, Sylv? How you doing, Sylv? Good to see you, darling. CZ's tweeting 4? What? What? Haven't been looking at my Twitter, obviously, because I've been streaming. You know what? I'm going to change this up. I just was set on it, and now I'm going to change it up. I'm going to do this with my short. I'm basically just going to stop 27 on this one. Boom. Just above the high. I'm going to pull this one back. I actually have a limit there. I'll put the other ones here, 27.4. I don't care. I don't care if these get nuked. There we go. They're both in profit. We're just targeting the swings. There we are. Let's make it real random. 08. Ta-da. All right, there's my TPs for the shorts. The long, I have a stop loss set. It is underwater. Just like that, actually, the song that just played. Underneath the water. Now, what's CZ saying? Watcher Guru just in. CFTC lawsuit alleges 300 Binance accounts associated with its CEO were exempt from the company's insider trading policy. That's breaking news. I don't really know. I don't really think that's like a huge impact on anything. It does kind of seem, but this has really always been true. It doesn't seem like they've been trying to go after Binance for a long time. Binance did not disclose it to its customers that Binance is trading in its own markets. Honestly, though, is anyone at all surprised by that? I'm not. I assumed that. Consistent with it is apparent attempts to keep its proprietary trading activity on its own markets top secret. Binance has refused to respond to commission. Commission issued investigative subpoenas seeking information. You know what? Honestly, though, let me say this. So, if you're not allowed to use Binance in the U.S., I mean, you have to KYC. You have to use Binance U.S., not Binance. But if you can't use Binance in the U.S., I don't understand why Binance would care. How does the SEC or the CFTC have any jurisdiction over them if there's not U.S. traders there? I don't understand. I don't know. But there's some breaking news. Top of the morning news to you. Top of the morning. I'm allowed to do it because I'm Irish. Oh, CZ. Now everyone's tweeting about it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, this is not news. Like, I mean, it's news that it's like formally being said, right? What the hell? I'm going to go ahead and agree. What the hell? 5. Ooh, no. Quick, undo. Should I comment 20 or 420? 20? 20. I don't know if people will get it. It might be 2 over their heads. I don't know. This guy can just tweet anything. He'll get a bajillion likes. Bajillion retweets. 420, should I go back? I'll go back. 420. Right. Delete that. All right. I'll do 420. You guys got to like it. You guys got to blow it up. There you go. Blow it up. If CZ replies, if CZ likes it or replies, we'll do like a huge giveaway. So try to spice it up. CZ has never once liked or commented or acknowledged my existence, and I'd like him to. Though, I mean, maybe he's going to jail soon. Who knows? Does look like we found some resistance at 27. Womp. Not quite the reaction I was hoping for, not gonna lie. Not quite the reaction I was hoping for. Ooh. Do like this though. They have a little magnifying glass on here. That'd be cool. Ooh, they do. Nah, that's too much. Nah, I don't like that one either. Check mark. Get rid of this for now. Nice. I put that in the Discord. I'll put that on there in that Discord. Oh, and Fairdusk did send the funds to the winner. Forgot who it was. You can go back and look. 340270 is their user ID. Congrats. If you could confirm your recipients of the funds, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I put this in the Discord. Flip. There we go. Make sure you join the Discord. Links in the video description below. I'll also put in chat for you. Not only will you be part of the greatest community on the planet, in the universe, but you'll get free Satoshis. Every single one of you. I'll make you Bitcoin holders just for joining the Discord, so check it out. Jump in there. Best way to keep up with the live streams. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. And I do update some stuff from time to time in the Discord after the stream, so check it out. I think I'm going to tweet this. What do you think? I think if I tweet this, it's really tempting fate, though, and the markets are going to be like, F you, Tom. We're going to nuke now. What do you think? Let's make that a poll. %72% of us unchanged. Really quick, I need your advice in the poll. No tweet, nuke it. Chat GBT's BADS. I ask it all kinds of stuff too. Todd McAfee. What's up, It's Autopilot? Every time Bitcoin dumps, you get more confident. Nice. Edward, like the stream? Yes. Agreed. What's up, Major Metacarpal? How you doing, brother? Daryl P, what's up? T and D Tesla. Which chord? Discord. I like that, Wick. Yo, I'm stealing that. Which chord? Discord. They're suing CZ, of course they are. Like, I can't believe he's not already being sued. Let's be real. BitBud, thanks for the membership. Thank Bajarki, my friend. Crypto Claws. With, I don't even know how many. Over 100. 140. We'll see after the live. This music in your ears is a little elevator-y. It can be. Is it? I mean, it should be really quiet anyway. Shouldn't be loud. I don't know if we've had anyone subscribe in a while. If you haven't subscribed and you're out there, help us beat Bitcoin to 100K, baby. We can do that with your help. Well, the spice seems to have chilled here, and I mean, couldn't pick a worse spot, honestly. Like, couldn't pick a better spot, worse spot. Like, if this low holds, we're good. We're good. This low holds, man. We're in. If by the end of the day we sell off, go below 26.6, maybe a little wiggle room there. Maybe we could just use the previous wick. Say if we close below 26.5, doomy, not looking good. Back under the ascending wedge. But closing up here, we're dandy. We're just following the chart. This exact thing has been unmodified. I prepared this on the, 16th? 15th, 16th? You can see it was drawn from back here. Prepared this for when I was on BitBoy Crypto's AM show. Showed it off. So far, it's played out. Weirdly, the diamond also playing out. I think it's going to come down to today's close. If the market can pull back up and close back in this diamond, I will deem this the fake break of the diamond. And I'll be looking for upside again. Well, I'll continue looking for upside. If it closes, moves down, this is looking pretty bad. This really was just the bear porn for you guys. XRP pulled back. No higher high yet for XRP. Trade's still good though. Alright, we still got a good group. Still got a good fam here. What do I mean with 420? Use your imagination. 40 people like the 420. Yes! Yes! Hit this CZ. Yes! Let's shout out everyone who's hitting it, man. All these beautiful people like the reply. Watching your stream. Shout out to you, Auto Games. Jonah, my man. Good to see you, Jonah. Hit this CZ. I love it. Should have just written 20. Well, maybe if you were watching the stream piece of string theory. That's what I did originally. Blaze it. Great, Peter. I love it. King Jong-un even replied, I don't know what the hell this is, but I like it. Wick, my man. Will. Roll up, Snoop. 69. Nice, Leo. Love it. I love it. I love all your comments. Blow it up, CZ. Get it. Get it, CZ. All right. Alrighty, right. We've been live an hour and a half. Bitcoin has fallen. We know what we're looking at. We know what to look for. This is in the Discord. This is going to be a hell of a close today. Yeah, I know it feels that way every day. But today, man. This is big. This is big. This is bigly. There's not much else moving. Usually we like to look at a bunch of other stuff. Oh yeah, DB. Let's check back in on Deutsche Bank. I said this is probably the worst thing ever to buy, but there's some spicy trades going on there. Ew. And the spicy trade it was from 920 now at 973. This is like peak stock. Actually, that's a pretty big move. It's a 5-6% move. That's pretty big. Didn't hit the TP yet. Look at this. Look at this like gappy chart. What's with this? Speaking of gappy charts, I almost forgot it was Monday. And we haven't even looked at CME, and that's blasphemy. Blasphemy. Let's see. No new gaps. Same old. You know what's interesting is actually last time I looked at this, I said, yeah, I will concede that there technically was a gap right here between these as it closed down and then opened higher. There was a gap there. And I said, but I don't really count those. Maybe I should because look, it got filled. That gap is now filled. Remaining CME gaps. 20.3 to 21.1. 34.5 to 36. 9.6 to 9.8. Some say bears from 2020 are still waiting there. And then, of course, we have gaps above. Not a lot of change. Not a lot of change. CME is, I don't know, it's just more bullish looking. I guess when you subtract the weekends, it looks better. That certainly doesn't look good. Do we have a lower low on the week now? We do even on spot. Interesting. Not the best look, eh? Not the best look. Not the best look. What other edge can we get? I don't know. I want an edge. I need an edge. Yeah, the 5 minutes totally flat. Totally flat below resistance. This is what I wanted to see. Still could play out. Hella sideways. Hella sideways. Gloat. Gloat, says Revy. 58% are saying gloat, baby, gloat. 42 are saying no, it will doom us. Not gonna lie, I kind of think it will doom us. Because every time I do something, every time we have like some sweet edge, kind of cutting edge analysis, everyone else ends up stealing it. Like, how many people did you see talk about this now? How many? Everybody. Lots of people are talking about this, which does make me skeptical of it. As more people talk about it, say this holds today and this looks good and we break maybe yesterday's high, right? More and more people talk about it, it becomes less likely to actually play out. But what can happen is if everyone is looking at it, which I think we will approach. If tomorrow we get a big candle, especially if it like breaks the whole range high, yeah, like a big candle, everyone and their mom's like, oh look, we knew it the whole time, huh? What we'll almost certainly get is something like this. Right. Something like this, where a day does close below the trend, but then the next day moves up. So not necessarily like this has to be like 2-3 days or whatever, but like this idea is if we do see a rally tomorrow, if this low holds today and this pattern looks intact and everyone starts talking about it, there's almost no way it just moves like we've kind of plotted this out 10 plus days ago. Almost no way. It would have to do some kind of fake out. Like some kind of thing where it's like pattern's done, we've closed below, everyone's like, okay, short it to 0, and then we can move back up. But so far, I mean, it looks good. That's why I don't want to tweet it, because I really don't. I don't want people to like really see it. Like you guys, yes, because we're the fam. But I don't really want all of Twitter to see it, because then they're all going to look at it, they're all going to talk about it, and then it's not going to happen. Decisions. Maybe I should wait till later in the day. I'll wait till later in the day. We did hit our goals, guys. Remember, we hit the goal today. We got the right amount of likes in the right amount of time. And so we will be giving away another hundo on the next live stream. All you have to do, sign up. Look at the pinned message in the chat. Sign up with Fairdesk using my link. And after this live stream, I would appreciate a comment. Like, you know, you can say whatever you want. It'd be nice if there was a little comment, but include your user ID and we will do just as we did earlier in the stream. We will be giving away another hundo because you guys killed it today. This has been pretty spicy. You know what's happening though. Bitcoin is literally waiting. Literally waiting for me to be done streaming. Probably so we can break this low and F up my patterns. Probably. 5 minutes. Still looks like shit. Nothing looks good. I have no reason to long right now. I do like that these red candles have become much smaller in body after this green. The green didn't bullish engulf, unfortunately. But this could be a little bit of exhaustion at this level. Hey, what? That did not look great. That looks like a bottom. Kind of does look like it wants to do this, doesn't it? When I invert it, it kind of does look like it wants to do this. Which would be bearish. Would be very bearish. I don't know. Honestly, until today closes, I don't know if there's any more analysis to be done. Do we close strong? Do we close with the pattern intact? Do we close below it? I don't know, man. Your guess is as good as mine. I think it's hit all the conditions I was looking for, which is hit all the lows, stop out all the longs, bait in shorts, Now you can reverse, but you don't have to. Now you can. If you don't, you're following this diamond pattern, and you're very, I mean, there's no such thing as certainly, but with very high confidence testing at least a 200 weekly. There we go. But if you hold the low here today, things are hunky-dory, and man, I could see like 30K in the next few days into April. Of course, the most catastrophic thing ever would be this. I don't think that's going to happen. That would be so silly. If that does happen, though, I think it would just go vertical. Like straight up. Straight up to infinity. Of course not. All right, guys. Well, Bitcoin's being boring as hell. It's moving sideways. That's okay. Make sure you've liked and subscribed to the stream. We'll be live again. I'll probably be live again tomorrow. I'll be on Investing Bros. Then I have a Twitter space. I don't know. I have a big-ass day tomorrow. Hopefully you guys tune in. As soon as I end the stream, Bitcoin will move. So in the meantime, I'm going to put the link in the chat. Check out the Educational Trading Content Shorts playlist. They're all fire. Give them a like. Give them a watch. Love you guys. This has been some spicy spice. Prepare as I turn the stream off for chaos. You can even see the candle already moving. That's all she wrote. I'm going to go blaze it, guys. But Jarky, I love you, man. Good to see you again. Happy Monday, fam. Let's get through this week.